Okay, so I'm gonna make this quick video, post it to my Facebook because I don't have a real update yet on this car, but actually I have done something to it. I just not ready, so I'm not going to say what it is. But we got one fan here, two fan there, and then we got the third fan there. We have all of them ran off of a relay and this crap. Anyways, that isn't even the end of our problems. Of course, I'm going to rewire all of that, but these are ran off of the ignition switch, not temperature sensitive. And there's also another problem I discovered is that fan's trying to push air through the radiator, through the front grille, while these two fans are trying to pull through the front grille. That's an inherent problem. Could easily have either been fixed by placing it in a different direction, putting the fan on the other side. I'm not sure if this is a push-pull fan, but given the way it's set up, we're just going to find out, and we're going to keep an eye on temperatures because I'm going to do a few things on the inside where you'll be able to keep track of transmission temperature, and it will let us know. Yeah, so anyways, don't do this. Bad idea. Bad. One relay, bad idea. Okay, so this is the second part of the video. I won't be able to really make a good showing of it once it's actually in the vehicle, but this is the old harness reworked. So now we have a relay for both fans. The third fan is operating on its own by a temperature switch for the transmission. We got grounds, we have power, and then those are the two signals from the ECM, and then of course we have the two fan connectors themselves. There's built-in fuses into this whole setup, and now all I got to do is plug it up and it will work infinitely better. So here we are at the third part of the video. I might do a fourth one, I guess, with everything running properly and hooked up and finally settled in, but it's kind of hard to see like the wiring, how I have it all ran, and of course like I need to secure it, but it's hooked up to this battery over here, and then of course I got my relays here, and then of course I have the wiring I need to finish running. But I just kind of wanted to show a quick proof of concept, whereas it's ground controlled, so once it grounds, turns that fan on. Once it grounds, turns the other fan on. So now I just need to go into the ECM, set up what temperatures I want them to turn on and turn off at, and then of course burn it and give it a quick test to make sure everything works properly, which I'm pretty sure it does, but still it doesn't hurt to go back and check one more time. Okay, so about to wrap it up and go home, and I guess I will show you everything that's put together. You see the relays over there with the fuses, and then of course the harness and all of that. And so now all we need to do is just test it. Fan 1, fan 2. That means we're all good to go, and I've already set up my temperatures and all of that. Car still really needs to be tuned, a bunch of other little stuff, but peace.